Hey everyone, I'm Kit the Explorer and you're watching Kit Explores. And I wonder what we're gonna explore today. I have an idea. Let's open up my really cool, trusty Explorer's pouch that I always keep with me. Let's see what we could be learning about today. Whoa, what is this? I know what this is. It's a turtle. Can you say turtle? Turtle. Turtles are so cool, and we're gonna learn about turtles today. Right now we only have one turtle, but I'm gonna snap my fingers really fast, and look at all these turtles. There's turtles that live and swim in the ocean. There's tortoises that live on land. And guess what? To learn about turtles, I have a friend who's going to help us meet a turtle and learn all about him. My friend who's going to teach us is named Miles. Come here, Miles.
Okay.
Whoa, Miles. Can you tell me all about these turtles?
E-R-I.
Yeah, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 turtles. Some of them swim in the ocean. Some of them crawl on the land. And the turtle we're going to meet today lives in the water and he can live on land. Let's go check him out. This right here is Spike. Right? What's his name?
Bye.
Spike. Spike is a turtle, and he's a special kind of turtle called a ouachita map turtle. Ouachita map turtles live in this part of the United States, and they live in areas where there's a lot of water. Should we pull Spike out? Yeah, let's pull him out and meet him. Wow, here he is. Is that so cool? Do you want to touch his shell? Oh, he's so nice, isn't he? Spike is a really wiggly turtle, and part of the reason his name is Spike is because his shell has these spikes on it. It's really cool. Turtles are really interesting animals because their home is right on their back. Turtles can go and hide inside of their shell, and their shell protects them from birds or other animals that might want to get them, huh? We'll move this, and we can set Spike down, and he'll walk around. Spike's a really friendly turtle. He's got spikes on the side of his shell, and spikes on the top of his shell, and you can see him. He's checking out the toy turtles. He's saying, "Hi, turtle. Hi, sea turtle."
Hi.
Hey, Spike, how are you today? Hi, Spike. Oh, let's all go say hi to Spike. Spike's afraid now because he's got so many turtles coming after him. But look, when Spike gets scared, he goes and hides in his shell because his shell is what keeps him safe. Spike lives outside. He's the kind of turtle that lives outside, but turtles that live outside can also be pets, and Spike is a pet. And right now, we're getting Spike's new home ready. You can see his new home. This is an aquarium where we're going to keep Spike. So Spike's a really special kind of turtle. Like I said, Spike can live in the water and on the land. Spike's a really colorful turtle, and look, if you take a closer look at Spike's legs, he's got webbed feet. Look at his webbed feet. Between his toes, he's got a little bit of skin that spreads out, and it helps him glide through the water while he's swimming. And guess what? He's got little claws on his legs, and those claws help him dig around for food. Nom, 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 nom. Sorry, did I scare you, Spike? I might have scared him. Maybe Spike thought that I wanted to eat him for food. Yuck! I wouldn't do that. That'd be so mean. There he is. I didn't mean to scare you, Spike. How are you? I love your yellow, brown, and green shell. Yellow, brown, and green. And look how different Spike is from this sea turtle. Spike's got little claws on his feet like I just showed you, but this sea turtle doesn't have any. He's just got flippers because the sea turtle spends his whole life in the ocean. The ocean's so big. And you want to know something else about turtles? They are ancient animals. The oldest turtles lived when the dinosaurs lived, millions and millions of years ago. That's probably older than your dad. Thanks for letting us take a closer look at you, Spike. In order to make his home nice and comfy, just like your home has couches and TVs, your home also has a cupboard probably full of food. Yum. We gotta make sure that Spike's home is nice and comfy for him, and we need to make sure that he's got all sorts of good food that he can eat, just like you. So we're gonna put Spike in his home. And he's got all these nice, smooth rocks that he can play in, a big rock that he can sit on, and he's got some plants, huh? What else do you think that Spike needs to be happy? Spike needs water to be happy. Can you say water? Whoa. Water. Yeah, that's pretty close. Water is a tough word to say, so practice it at home with your parents. Okay, what we're gonna do is fill Spike's home up with water so he can swim and be happy. Lastly, I think Spike needs some food. Ouachita map turtles eat bugs and mollusks, and they also eat fish. So we're gonna pour in some fishies to keep Spike company and also be his food. There you go, fishies. Miles, I'm so glad that you helped me with Spike today and showing me how cool he is. And Spike, it looks like he loves his new home. It's nice and clean and full of food, huh, Spike? Spike's really happy that you guys wanted to watch him today and learn all about turtles. Thanks so much for joining me, Kit the Explorer, on Kit Explores today. And I'm so glad that I got to teach you all about turtles. And I'm really glad that you got to meet Spike. And Miles, thanks for telling us all about Spike and letting us join you and learn about your turtle. He's really cool. Give me a high five. You did a great job today. Good high five. Bye, Spike. Enjoy your nice, clean home. And parents, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational videos for your little ones. Thanks for watching. Bye. Can you wave? Bye. He's kind of scared?
It's going